Hi, we are the Dog Show Divas, and this is 8 List Plays.
Dog Showdown. Each player picks a paper from one bucket, one subject, and one situation. For each combination, the player must form a story together and make it make sense. The twist? Each player can only contribute one word per turn.
Alright, ano kayang alamat ang ating gagawan ng story?
So magko-combine tayo ng ating mga mabubunot and in a very scientific, democratic, but also Socratic fashion, tayo ay gagawa ng kwento. Ano yung kwento nung sa'yo, dear?
Nako, very iconic character to. Si Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift, a personal friend of ours. We had dinner last night sa
Jolly G.
Jolly G.
Yes.
So ang ating situation ay
Ay, nako, hindi na ito bago kay Mare.
kay Mare Taylor.
Oo.
Break up ni Taylor Swift.
Yes.
Heartbreak. Headache.
Yan
Ang
nararamdaman. Bakit
nila
isinangguni
ginurakan
at
tinapakan
ang
aking
pagkatao?
mga
Tao,
masakit
malaman,
na
hindi ako mahal.
ni
Johnson,
and
Bronson.
yes
Dalawa sila, lalaki
na
minahal.
ko
Kaya
ako
nagkakasakit
pagod
na
pagod
ako
pagsabayin
silang
dalawa
sapagkat
isa
lang
ang
pribado
ang
relasyon.
namin
Kaya
masakit
ito
na
sabihin
sa
inyo,
pero
susulat,
peperahan
gagatasan,
ang
kanta,
ng
album,
entitled
break
na
kami.
the end. Okay, wow. First of all, that was very painful for us to relive because we just
Correct.
experienced that yesterday.
Correct.
Yeah.
Alam mo yon, habang kumakain si Taylor Swift and nung nakagat niya yung sila na hindi niya sinasadya,
Correct.
talagang nag-burst siya into tears.
Yeah, actually, because it was the sila that triggered her telling us about the breakup. So yes,
Yes.
she was with two people,
Yes.
Johnson and Bronson,
Bronson.
who of course invented.
Who invented, the skincare Johnson & Johnson's baby powder.
Yes, correct.
Oo.
In fact, yun ang tawagan nila sa isa't isa,
Oo.
si Baby at si Powder.
Oo. Actually, dito bayad ni Johnson & Johnson.
Pero bayad to ni Taylor
ni
Swift.
Taylor Swift. Sabi nga, Baus McCoy, interview, bayad. Ganyan. So, I think the moral of the story here is, huwag niyong pagsasabayin ang mga kambal.
Yes.
Yes.
Because pag pinagsabay nyo ang kambal, malilito kayo.
Yes. Ang ating famous people or famous person.
Okay, so,
Ay!
sino?
Hindi siya famous person.
Ah.
But this is a very famous budget.
Oh!
Yes. 4.7 billion pesos.
At ang topic ay overtime.
Ay! Wow! What an economic.
What an economic, a laborious
Correct.
topic, if
Oo.
I might add.
Yeah.
Right, so, bahala na.
Bahala na.
Okay.
Very napapanahon.
Okay.
Okay, this is it. In 3, 2, 1.
Ha?
Bakit?
Ang
Laki!
ng
4.7
na
billion
budget
ni
noto
I
deserve
a
long
break.
because
The
time
and
resources
are
irreversible,
irrevocable
irreplaceable.
by
Beyonce
2
plus
left
is
to
the left
everything
must
be
budgeted,
and
accounted,
marketable
insatiable
investments
Absurdly,
We
don't
deserve
corrupt
officials.
because
We
work
hard,
and
long, very
wet
flood
control
projects
must
be
held
accountable
transparently.
transcendingly.
Too
Much
of
corruption
can
kill
birds,
and
spiders.
I think the moral of the story here, Bausi, is that pag bumabaha, hindi lang tao ang naapektuhan.
Pati ang mga ibon, ang mga spiders.
Yes.
We need to care for nature. I think that really is the lesson
Yeah,
here.
that's the
We
lesson.
talk about taking care of the planet, but I think the planet also includes insects, mammals, amphibians, reptiles.
Correct. Reptiles.
That we also need to consider when we are drafting these flood control projects.
Correct. So the point here is, when we mentioned spiders, usually the spiders can make a way
Correct.
to save themselves by,
Yeah,
you know,
by this.
by this, right? The sapot.
The sapot.
Pero wala, binahana yung ano
Binahana.
Oo.
So, the next time bumabaha, isipin nyo rin na maraming hayop.
Yes.
Totoong hayop ba? Hindi yung
Totoong
mga hayop
hayop.
na corrupt politicians.
Correct.
Ang nangangailangan
Correct. So humanda kayo.
kay
Spider-Man.
this is the last one. EOD deadline, PTSD whiplash.
EOD deadline dahil ang nagpapa-deadline ay si Genevieve Gozu.
Oh my God. Okay. So, let us paint a picture here. Siguro ang gawin natin, isang taong tinalakan ni Genevieve
Oo.
na, dear, asa na?
Oo, ganon. Kumbaga, Milan Fashion Week.
Correct.
Nasa na ang designs.
Correct. Tapos, ako yung intern
Yes.
na maghahanap ng solusyon
Correct.
sa Milan.
Correct.
So,
Pinalipad siya sa Milan.
siya. So, let's see if we
Okay.
know Milanese and if we can do this. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
In 3, 2, 1.
Buongiorno!
Spaghetti.
Margarita!
Amalfi.
Ziti!
Genevieve.
Nakakainis!
Bakit
Mo
iniwan
ang
mga
damit
hindi ba sabi
ko,
sa'yo
boss,
ako
ang
dapat
masunod.
kaya
Ikaw,
ang
umikot
dito
sa
Milano?
Genevieve!
Gozum
Bilisan
mo!
Aba!
Nagrereklamo
Ka?
pa?
Dahil
Hindi
ako
nandito
gulong-gulo.
na
Ako,
sa'yo,
Genevieve,
Gozum.
if
I,
see
you,
still
here,
in,
Milan,
I
will
personally
deport.
you.
Yan.
Yan.
So, dito kasi, naiwan yung designs for the
Correct.
Milan Fashion Week.
Correct. I mean, very obvious here, no, na ang intern niya is a Nepo baby kasi napaka-entitled.
Oo,
Diba?
diba?
Inutusan niya yung boss niya.
Totoo.
Diba?
Inutusan niya yung may-ari
Correct.
mismo.
So, ano ang moral of the story here?
Ang moral of the story here is, dapat ang Nepo baby ang masusunod. Dahil ang sweldo ng Nepo baby ay galing sa taong bayan.
Correct. Also, I think a very good lesson here is that if merong mga stereotypes na macaroni and mga accent,
Oo.
it might possibly get you canceled. But you know, we will find out once they post this. I think in this partnership, most of the time, I start the crazy idea and McCoy says yes to the crazy idea. But we refer to episode 0, yung Kaya Pa Ba podcast, as like where it started.
Yeah, because it was the anniversary of Kaya Pa Ba podcast. And then he invited me. And then he said, oh, walang script ha, walang outline. So, improv lahat. Eh ako naman parang, okay, sige, sasakyan kita kung anong gusto mo mangyari.
Dahil kay Brosas fan kami, sabi
Oo.
namin, basta't sasakyan
Yan kita.
kita.
Sa lahat ng gusto niya.
Correct.
Charot.
Actually, hindi namin siya dinecidean. The public kind of harassed us into doing
Oo,
a
nagdi-DM.
spin. Nagdi-DM sila, like, utang na loob, ituloy niyan. Like, we were receiving threats already.
Oo. Initially, when we meet for a day of the recording, it's really more of recapping lang ano yung nangyari.
Tapos, minsan, may mga random messages kami to each other. May baka maganda pag-usapan to or that. But it never is formalized into a document or a cheat sheet. We try to remember what we can. I think that is also part of the fun for us. Kasi parang the unknown and the sense of danger is fun for us. And when it's fun for us, it is stressful for you.
Ako naman kasi sanay na ako dyan. Hindi, I mean, we're doing this for 8 years. So, I've had my fair share of cancel. Pero, I guess kung ma-cancel naman kami, baka dahil too much emotions na lang yun. I'm not sure.
Also, I think the fact that we are from advertising, meron kaming proper gauge of like brand safety and how to kind of push the emotion without crossing that line.
Wow.
Well, you know, we are historians and we love oral. So, how do we answer that question?
Well, definitely, ikaw, if I'm going to ask you, do you think chismis is an oral history?
I don't think it is because I think if you put history there, it needs to be factual. And a factual chismis is just confusion at this point.
Yeah, so ako I don't agree that it is oral history because it has to be true. It has to be verified.
Correct.
And there should be a fact there.
Ako, if I were a dog breed, I think I would be a Frenchie, a French bulldog.
Wow.
And that is because I love croissants.
Me, I love Taliano Gold, so Golden Retriever.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, we're richer because of you.
Thank you. Makakabili na ako ng bagong car. Lang. I appreciate the support of the people na nakikinig sa podcast.
And you know, we don't want to beat around the bush about how this is a source of income for us. You know, we work really hard and people seem to root for us every time we book a new project. So, ang tagumpay namin ay tagumpay nyo, pero wala kayong cut doon.
Oo. Kasi wala kayong cut doon, pero bayad namin yung tax.
So, parang kami
lang. Ganun lang. Pero thank you for your support.
Okay, so we're gonna sign. I'm gonna put my name here. Diba? Ito ang tawag ng kabataan dito ay art.
Yes. This is contemporary art.
Diba? Protect art. So yes, feel free to watch us or listen to us, experience us however you want to experience the podcast Dog Show Divas.
That's right. Mapapakinggan nyo kami sa Spotify, YouTube, and
Apple Podcasts. So make sure you subscribe because we need that.
Yes, you've made it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, follow, share, and subscribe
to 8list.ph and all their platforms.